This Artisan Realtors property video is presented by Dan Adams. Awesome Little Flower Area Bungalow that looks like it was plucked from a fairy tale. All the charm but with some modern twists, this floor plan features an open staircase to the finished basement with a full bath. The main level features a formal living room with hardwood floors, updated kitchen with solid surface countertops, and all appliances stay, cool dining area, 2 bedrooms and a full tiled bathroom. Basement has a huge living area with laminate floors and glass block windows, laundry room, bonus room, storage areas, as well as a mechanical room. Outside the home you will find a fully fenced yard with a great patio for entertaining, a 1-car garage, and don't miss the storage room behind the garage. Washer and dryer stay included. For more information